A short guide to mounting SMA bulkhead connectors, rear mount and front mount. A D-shaped cutout is universally considered best practice for SMA bulkhead connectors. The flat edge serves as an anti-rotation mechanism. This locks any rotational movement during installation or when tightening an antenna or cable. A typical aperture uses a 6.5mm diameter hole with a 6.0mm flat edge, and you will find these called out on every GCTRF technical drawing. Maintaining an exact panel aperture tolerance is critical to uphold the IP67, 68 and 69K rating. Rear mount connectors are installed from inside the panel or enclosure. The connector is pushed through the aperture from the rear side of the panel. The locking nut is then fastened from the outside. Panel thickness exact limit is dependent on the connector's specific design. Always verify the relevant connector drawing before installation. Front mount connectors are installed from outside the panel or enclosure. The connector is pushed through the aperture from the front side of the panel. The locking nut is fastened from the rear. This reduces the likelihood of unauthorized tampering. Mounting and mating torque depends on the connector series, thread size, and body material. Excessive torque can damage threads, deform the panel, or degrade RF performance. Check the correct torque value on our website. For sealed assemblies, the O-ring must be compressed evenly between the connector and the panel. This helps maintain the intended environmental protection. For the full RF range with technical drawings, CAD models and distributor stock, visit gct.co.